that's all you get out of a pellet you can find in Portugal. Just a load of firewood. Still, I'm gonna try to make something out of it. Welcome back in Portugal. Welcome back at the Not Just Sawdust workshop. Today I'm gonna try to make something out of this pile of, well, ex-pellet firewood. I don't know what I've started. Let's see. Parts are ready. Got all my little chrome parts, back, front, the neck, and it's all ready, I think, to be assembled. Now let's see whether we can make a working 3-string out of this. it's finished, and this is the first time I made a fretless 3-string. All the other ones have frets on them, and so the action is a bit higher to play with the slide. And of course there's the nice gimmick of closing it up and making it acoustic again, which is just a gimmick because this material is like, I don't know, 13-14 millimeters thick, so there's not really much resonation in the box. But, well, you can only play it with a slide, and as I'm not so good at it. But let's plug it in and see whether it works like I hope it works. The tone and volume are on the back here, and I've just got a little amplifier. Let's put volume and tone down. Let's see what it does. Just put everything in the middle of my amplifier to see what kind of sound it has. You should have a plectrum, but I don't have one, so. But that works. And then the tone. Works too. Well, it's pretty hard to get the right place because I'm not used to that. You know, when you have frets, you know exactly where you need to be. I did put all the little nails in, so I know where the fret's supposed to be, but still, it's finding out your tune. So this is my entry for the 2018 Pellet Upcycle challenge, and I never thought I could get something out of this old pellet, but in the end it really looks nice, and used a little ashtray to make my, you know, to be or not to be acoustic. So let's see if there's a bit more noise in this thing. Yeah, we can get a bit more noise out of it. A bit too much. Well, at least it works. I'm happy with it, and just another one into the collection. For now, I'd say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some upcycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.